Jess from Opticare. Welcome to the next video in our Like No One Else campaign. Today we'll be talking about high astigmatism prescriptions. Yes, they are common in practice, but once cylinder values increase, these jobs really require more than standard processing. High astigmatism can influence lens thickness, edge profile, weight, balance, cosmetics, and overall patient comfort. It can also make the final result more sensitive to frame parameters, fitting measurements, axis position, decentration, pantoscopic tilt, wrap angle, and back vertex distance. So the challenge here is not just whether the prescription can be made, it's whether it can be made well. For example, a +6 with a -6 cylinder prescription may appear straightforward on paper, but once frame shape, eye size, decentration, material choice, and lens design are considered together, it becomes a much more technical job. And that's where design and processing can make a real difference. The right material can help manage thickness and improve the final appearance, and accurate fitting data can support better optical performance. With all high astigmatism jobs, selecting a freeform lens design is especially important because it allows the lens to be calculated and optimized more precisely around the prescription and the frame parameters. And doing this can really help improve visual performance, help manage unwanted peripheral distortions, and support a more comfortable adaptation for the patient. With high astigmatism, small details matter. A change in axis or lens form, base curve, or fitting position can affect clarity, comfort, spatial awareness, and adaptation. And that's why we look at the full picture. The prescription, the frame, the measurements, the material, the lens design, and ultimately the expected final result. With high astigmatism, success depends on more than simply producing the numbers. It depends on how well the entire lens is planned, processed, and delivered. So, if you have a high astigmatism case that requires additional consideration, send it through to us. Our team can review the prescription, the frame parameters, and the lens options to help to determine the most appropriate approach.